Mr. Speaker.
The gentleman from California seek recognition.
Mr. Speaker, I rise for a point of order.
I will state the point of order.
Mr. Speaker, I realize that H.R. 45 and its rule have not been brought up for consideration, but I wish to object to the consideration of H.R. 45 as well as consideration of the rule governing debate on the bill because it violates Rule 12, Clause 7, Section C, which states, quote, "A bill or joint resolution may not be introduced unless the sponsor submits for printing in the congressional record a statement citing as specifically as practicable the power or powers granted to Congress in the Constitution to enact the bill or joint resolution," end quote. The constitutional authority statement submitted with H.R. 45 argues that Congress is granted the authority to enact this legislation because of the 10th Amendment. The 10th Amendment does not grant Congress the authority to act. It limits congressional power. It states, quote, "The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively or to the people," end quote. Citing the 10th Amendment does not satisfy the rule. Experts at the Congressional Research Service agree. In a recent report, they stated, quote, "The 10th Amendment is not an affirmative grant of authority to Congress. Rather, it is a limitation or disability on Congress's authority to legislate. Hence, because the House rule requires a statement citing the power or powers granted to Congress, not merely a statement of constitutional provisions, citations to the 10th Amendment do not appear to satisfy the requirement of the House rule." So, Mr. Speaker, the constitutional authority statement for the bill before us today does not comply with the House rules, and I ask the bill and the rule not be considered until this problem is fixed.
The gentleman's point of order is not timely. Neither House Resolution 215 nor House Resolution 45 is pending at this time.